Okay, so we're going to be going down this little street right here. It's kind of cool little space, right? It's all these kind of beautiful trees and this kind of ramshackle stuff. Okay, so I'll make an attempt to explain it all and show you what's all around here. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. So it's kind of I don't know. So you can see kind of all this ramshackle stuff. It's beautiful banyan trees, and you have kind of like interesting cement up against these things. Like they've been so long and they're kind of rusty and they got like cement, and it looks like you can like squatter kind of stuff, right? And then you got some boxcar stuff. This is all in Taipa. It's pretty prime real estate. A lot of money's coming this way. So I don't know how long all this stuff will be able to stay here, but it's all kind of makeshift squatter-ish kind of stuff. It's kind of interesting though. Some of it's kind of all the trash in there. If I was a squatter. Anyways, all kind of cool stuff everywhere. Yeah, this one kind of goes in. So I guess they climb up from that way as well. Whole little community in there. Could briefly saw that little. See, there's like a bunch of makeshift different places. I guess this one probably too. And that one has like cameras up there. Okay, I think I got a car coming here. Oh, look at that. It's like a box car with a window. So I think this street has two names. One of the names is this one. But then there's another name up here. We're gonna go a little further and then you'll see the other one. So yeah, it's kind of interesting, right? So you can see there's like a little labyrinth of stuff all the way in here. It's kind of sunny in here. So yeah, it's kind of really interesting. Yeah, you can kind of see like just a kind of collection of just, I don't know. I don't know what to think. Yeah, and then right up here is Taipa. It's like you can automobile. Wow, look at those engines right there, tons of them. So I think we're gonna come up on another street name up here. Huh, used to be a lot more bricks in there. So I don't know which is the name of the street. This is Caminho das Hortas up here. So I'm gonna guess that Caminho das Hortas is this entryway, and then when it gets in there, there's changes in names a little bit. I guess either that or this one is this little thing. One time I saw a car flip over, landed upside down. I don't know how that happened. I don't know how you can drive fast enough to have that happen. I didn't see that before. Anyways, we'll kind of just follow this out, and then you're going to see a lot of Taipa shortly. There's university over there. Used to be the University of Macau. Now there's several universities. City University. Can't remember all the. It's like kind of a collection of a few that take up the real estate of what was University of Macau. That right there is a fire. That yellow one is for the fire department, so they can practice their fire techniques. So it's kind of head on out here a little bit. So that's our sidewalk. Now we're gonna come out over here. You get this beautiful little rotunda, strange green building that looks pretty cool, and by this strange yellow building. There's McDonald's over there. So we're just gonna continue on our way. and we'll kind of show you the context of everything. So kind of interesting. It's hot. Cafe del Corral. So we're just gonna head over across the street, and then that way maybe got a little context of that little thing back there and how it connects into the city as well. See how we can, and there we go, Cafe del Corral. So now we're kind of right in the city of Taipa here. You can see all the cars coming down this way. There's an overpass there, and then we just basically went down that little alley right there. I think we're gonna go up a little bit. And we'll just walk over this way, and then we'll try to get a view of it from over here. Now you can see these better. So there's that yellow fire. So they do practice fire stuff there. That's that kind of green building. And then you got buildings all around. McDonald's right there. And then we just kind of came into that little area where that green trees are at. So I guess we'll end it right here, overlooking this little thing right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.